Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So today was a bank holiday in the US. We did have a pretty nice push up this morning, and this morning I was saying definitely looking for longs because we had no break of start to down. Now we still don't have a break of start to down, so I would be looking at this move down as possibly just another pullback. It seems at this point like it would at least go up to the 78% and could possibly bounce there and just keep on going. If it goes all the way up here and breaks this high, then that most likely tells us that there is a big reversal to the upside on the daily, which the weekly time frame is up. So it would make sense that it possibly could continue the high time frame uptrend. But as of right now, we're watching our fib levels. If we get a break of starts into the downside at a fib level, then we'll definitely stop looking for longs and definitely start looking for shorts again. But for now, definitely looking at all moves to the downside as nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.